Mu ngeri y'okutumbula omutindo gw'emmwanyi mu bitundu bya Rwenzori, abalimi bakubiriziddwa okukozesa ebigimusa. Ku mukolo ogutegekeddwa ekitongole ky'ebyobulimi nga kiyita mu nkola eya Esfroma, era obubaka buyisiddwa okwasaganya ekibiina kya Organic Denmark Masereka Longino.
We encourage farmers down there to work hard to make sure that they produce and market the organic products. In as much as we still have a challenge on the local market of marketing organic products, the local population still finds it hard to differentiate what is between organic and non-organic in terms of price.
Mu kwogera kwategeezezza nti singa abalimi bakozesa ebigimusa ebyawaka nga obusa kijja kulinnyisa nnyo omutindo gw'emmwanyi.
You can easily find manure or other fertilizers on the farm because you are looking at the small scale farmers. If you have a farm of 1 acre or less, you can still use manure from your farm, not necessarily buying these synthetic chemicals. So a small scale farmer, I've told you, like you've had a gentleman from Konzo Organics, they are able to export like 9 to 10 containers organically produced coffee.
Mu mbeera y'emu asiimye gavumenti olw'okuleetawo enkola eno ejja okwongeza ebisale by'ebirime.
And it's a campaign to reach where we are, but the campaign is yielding a lot of results. As I've said, one of the results is this organic policy, where government has approved it, and we thank government of Uganda for have considered that as a way of promoting this niche market with specialized prices, where you can go organically certified or fair trade certified, or you can have both.
Julius Lukala akulira ebyobulimi ku district agambye nti bakolera wamu n'ekitongole kya Coffee Marketing Development Authority okuyamba abalimi bano mu byalo.
At district level, our extension workers have also gone ahead now into the sensitizing, and to improve the quality, we are working hand in hand with UCDA to ensure that we revitalize the coffee fields. The overgrown coffee, which is giving us very small beans, the poor quality beans, we are asking the farmers to stamp.
Alinda Moses okuva mu kitongole kya Uganda Coffee Development Authority akubirizza abalimi n'abasuubuzi mu kitundu kya Rwenzori okukozesa ennyo engeri y'ennima ennungi ekola ensimbi.
Best advice to my dear traders and the farmers is, can we look onto quality for money? Because you find if coffee is not of good quality, it fetches a lower price. But if it is of a better outturn, let's say coffee of outturn 95, you may get yourself 7,800 shillings.
Abalimi nga Thembo Charles okuva ku kyalo kya Nyakabingo Kasese ne Bwambale Mathina okuva e Bukonjo bayogedde ku nteekateeka eno.
When you look at whichever farmer grows coffee does not take it as a real business, and that means ownership element is not among the farmers to ensure that the coffee they have, they take it as their own business.
We need to be able to tell the farmers that although they cry of low prices, they need to produce quality.
Olukungaana luno lubadde mu kibuga ky'e Kasese era nga lwetabiddwamu abalimi abasoba mu 5 okuva mu disitulikiti nga Kasese, Bundibujjo, Kabarole, Kamwenge ssaako ne Kyegeegwa. Edith Nabagereka ne Sarah Nakandi ku STV Select EY'ENJAWULO.